Let me show you how to compose encrypted emails in Proton Mail. Proton Mail automatically encrypts all emails between Proton Mail users. But however, if you're emailing someone who does not use Proton Mail, you need to use the password encrypted email to ensure that end-to-end security is enabled. So to do that, click on the new message option, add in the email or the person that you're trying to email. For example, they do not have Proton Mail. For example, if they are not using Proton Mail, what you can do is click on this log icon on the bottom of the screen. Once you click on it, you'll have an option of adding in a password. So make sure you add in your own password, and you can also add in a hint as well. If you don't want to add in a hint, you can also leave it as it is and then click on send encryption. And there you go, your password has now successfully been set. Whenever you now send this email, or the person opening the email needs to add in the password. So as you can see, I've just opened up the email that I've just sent the message to, and it says it is from Proton, and I cannot view any messages that are inside. I just need to click on the unlock message, and once the password is typed, only then I'll be able to read and take a look at the email. And there you go, once the password is enabled or added in, only then the email content will be visible. So that is the way that you compose an encrypted email in Proton Mail. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. And if you guys are interested in more future videos just like this, make sure you hit that notification bell.